Hello and welcome to THEIMPACTPLAY, your premier source for discussions and reviews and so much more from It'sMohammed.com. I'm your host and producer here on the ones and twos, Mohammed, and we need this simple hope for the marginalized, giving voices to the voices and sharing their stories to the world. Make sure to subscribe to us over on YouTube, youtube.com/THEIMPACTPLAY. Zero one hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you haven't done so. Definitely hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. So no matter however consumers or whoever consumers in the world, we are there. Your support is what keeps the lights and mics on, keeps us doing what we do best. We are also Epic partners. Every purchase you make with the Epic Game Store, use that credit code to THEIMPACTPLAY. Help us support us when you buy anything Rocket League, Fortnite, Fall Guys, and whatever video game. If you purchase within the Epic Game Store, use that credit code to THEIMPACTPLAY. It's no extra cost to use, so by the definitely. It'll help us elevate the show to even more heights and greater ambitions as well. So you can also become a supporter by visiting THEIMPACTPLAY.com/support. If you're interested in becoming a supporter, we also have merch on the site as well. So you definitely go out your way and support us here on THEIMPACTPLAY and keep us doing what we are best at. So on this episode of the THEIMPACTPLAY, we'll be unboxing the new iPhone. I know this a little bit of transparency that this video I did actually get the new iPhone on Sunday. And the reason being is we've been having a little technical difficulties with production and pre-production software as well, but looks like everything is a go. Thanks so much for your patience, and without further delay, let's get into the unboxing for you all. Oh, also on another note, I did mess up on the rep's name. I kept on calling him Elijah for some reason, but his name is Eli. So I should shout out to Eli from the Avalon Apple Store and enjoy the video. Well, I got it, folks. So we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone, the iPhone 16 Plus to be more precise. And shout out to Isaiah of the Avalon Apple Store. I was in and out in there a couple minutes, even waiting in line. Like literally, I was in and out. Like there was something like two people in front of me, and just for him to check me in and activate the device took not even a couple minutes. So shout out to Isaiah from the Avalon Apple Store. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. And I got the Aquamarine in 512 gigabytes. So let us get into it. When it wants to, oh, there we go. Okay. I thought it was tape, but it's like paperish. One down. Two to go. Don't need you. There it is, folks, in all its glory. The Aquamarine. So before we get into the phone itself, it comes with a braided USB-C cable. Not bad. This is going to be a simple USB-C cable. Then we got, I believe, some documentation. And I think that's it. That's all she wrote. Let me check, see if there's any stickers or something. They usually put stickers in here. Yeah, no, these are glued. So there's nothing else under the box itself. So just the paperwork for the phone itself, and the USB-C cable. So now we get into the phone. That sounds so satisfying. Okay, there's the camera control button, haptic feedback, I should say, button, but yeah. I was trying to get a feel for it. I guess you could feel it. It's clicky. having it in my actual hand is nice. So I'll give you a little bit of a backstory. The reason why I went with the Plus, not the Pro or not the Pro Max. Let's turn this on. Okay, so while it's turning on, simply because I compared all the sizes. I was at my local AT&T store because that's the closest to me. So I checked out all the devices. 16 was super small. Didn't go with it. 16 Plus was the perfect size. I know again the Pro Max. The Pro is in between the 16 and the 16 Plus, so I would say it was too small for me. But the Pro Max was a lot bigger for me, so I could even. It was too much for me to be actually used, and it was too much of a bigger size for me. That's why I went with the 16 Plus. Okay, there it is. When I was literally talking, and then it's been on. So we're gonna swipe up, select my language, region, United States, appearance. What's this stuff? Default, medium, large. Oh, so I'm assuming everything else. Yeah, we'll leave it default. Okay, continue. Quick start. So we're gonna set it up with my previous device, and I'm assuming this is gonna take super long. So we'll be back at it again with another video, hopefully. But yeah, while I play with the device once it's finally set up. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing for the new iPhone, the iPhone 16 Plus and 512 gigabytes in ultramarine to be more precise. So that's gonna wrap it up, folks. And thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching our unboxing of the new iPhone. But nonetheless, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Otherwise, if you haven't already, be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or even our sure to subscribe to us on YouTube, and even on whatever audio platform you use, whether it be Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, and so many others. Simply search for the Impact Play. Well, never mind. It only took maybe 10 minutes, give or take, to transfer everything from my previous iPhone to this one. So it was definitely, literally worth the wait. As you can see, everything's, I said it before, I have the Impact Play in the lock screen. And let's see, as you can see, my apps are still, they're all literally the same, everything I had before, the same format and everything needs to be re-downloaded on this phone. But nonetheless, that was quick and easy. I'm surprised. Because I've been seeing a lot of people, when they're transferring from previous iPhones to new iPhones, it takes a lot longer. So assuming it's the data that, because they have a lot of data, a lot of pictures, a lot of videos, and I don't normally keep a lot on my iPhone. So that's probably why it helped. But nonetheless, that's why I upgraded to the most storage possible, the 512 gigabytes. But nonetheless, that was quick and easy. I wish they could update their iPhones where they could take a page from Galaxy's, from Samsung's playbook, where you can simply connect the USB cables from each side of your previous device and your newer device, and it just connects that way. That'll make the process a lot faster because you're doing it hardwired instead of wireless. Wireless is always a lot slower compared to a wired. But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. Like I said previously, also a huge shout out to. But nonetheless, there's our unboxing. We'll have a review giving you our thoughts, my impressions on the new iPhone 16 Plus, to be more precise. But also on another note, I forgot to mention this earlier, where I know I'm not a fan of Apple Watches. I shot on the Series 10. The bigger one, I believe it's 47 millimeters, 49 millimeters, are all in there. And I'm in love with it. It's literally the same size as my Seamless by Nothing watch, but a lot smaller, a lot slimmer, I should say. So I'm definitely gonna be getting that soon. And also, I tried on the Ultra 2, but I did not like it. The size is literally the same size as this watch, but the weight is a lot greater than compared to this one. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna get used to it, and then I'll just stick with the regular Watch 10. Obviously the bigger size of the two, and I'm definitely looking at the titanium because it's a much stronger build. Because I have that option, not like compared to the 16 Plus where I don't have that titanium option. I wish I did, but I don't. But nonetheless, thank you guys so much. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and let us know if you copped new iPhones, if you copped the new devices, whether it be the Apple AirPods 4s with ANC or without, the new or any other of the known devices. Let us know in the comment section down below. We love to hear your thoughts as well. So thank you guys so much, and a huge shout out to the Avalon Apple Store once again. They've been literally got me in and out, and I also had to add a repair order for my Apple AirPod Pro 2s, the USB-Cs. They literally just replaced one of the headsets, and they just gave me a new one, like literally in and out. Like I wasn't even there that long either, because I had to do multiple things there. But nonetheless, it is what it is. This is the end of the video, and we'll see you all next time around. Do you want to learn more about us and the coverage and the work that we're doing? Simply by you visiting us online at THEIMPACTPLAY.com. So one show has become 3. We have the THEIMPACTPLAY for your tech and gaming show, your THEIMPACTPLAY screenplay for your film and TV show. Plus we also have the THEIMPACTPLAY cover play for showcasing our event coverage as well. In a world where we have less time than ever, sitting reading books, whether it be digital or physical, and listen to audiobooks with Audible, the most efficient way of consuming books in the modern era. Sign up for free, daily digital, and immediately get access to 1 credit. But we do have Amazon Prime, you can double that, and it's 2 credits. It's good for any premium title. Simply go to audiblechannel.com/THEIMPACTPLAY. Once again, that is audiblechannel.com/THEIMPACTPLAY. We have returned. So I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing for the new iPhone 16. And as a little bit of a heads up as well, I don't know if I mentioned this in the intro, but I'll repeat this here. So I did mess up on the representative who helped me out at the Avalon Apple Store comes to saying Elijah, but it was Eli. But a huge shout out to Eli from the Avalon Apple Store. You've been a huge help, and thank you so much. But nonetheless, I've been using the iPhone 16 Plus for a couple of days now, and the big difference I've been noticing is the battery life is phenomenal. It'll last me maybe. I know I get at least a day worth out of this, but I know I could extend even more so, but rather not now because this is essentially a work phone. And the other thing to know is the camera control button is they don't want to call it button, they want to call it camera control. Is simply a quick tap. You can take a quick photo or a snapshot, what have you. And I don't see myself using that is because I don't use this as a camera. I have the Galaxy S24 for that. So that's the whole reason why I didn't get the Pro is because I didn't need the added camera, which is the same main camera. So no reason for that, and 120 hertz refresh rate, which I didn't see myself needing that. So those are the main upgrades that I saw myself, the main differentiators between the two, and I didn't need any of that. So it has been a huge upgrade, and definitely have the review later on as well. Once I do get a couple days test again, what have you. And I know if you're getting this for the Apple Intelligence AI, don't get your hopes up. It should be out maybe by the end of the year, if not by next year. We'll see what happens with Apple. But nonetheless, if you are upgrading from an older device, maybe an 11, I would say upgrade from 11 or previous device. I would say upgrade to it. That would be my recommendation to you. If you have like a 13 or 14 or even a 15, it's not worth the upgrade. Keep what you have. You'll see maybe a little bit of a incremental difference, but not otherwise no huge change to it as well. But we're gonna end this here and now, and I guess we'll see you all on the next one. See you guys, and have a great night and It is fall.